In this second part of our lecture, we are going to discuss the difference between organization and management of an enterprise. Now, when we talk about organization is the structure by which a harmonious interrelation is established between the workers and their work. Through organization, authority and responsibility are delegated. These are organizational activities. Organization is one of the various functions of a management. As a part of management, organization helps it to execute its other functions. Organization acts as a tool in the hand of the manager. Organization aims at performing the planned activities through creating proper work environment. Next, the setting up of effective organization structure depend on efficient management. More efficient the management is, more effective the organization structure will be. Another is, organization may be regarded as hand of human body. If we say that management is whole body, then organization are the hands of that human body. On the other hand, when we talk about management is the executive process of getting works accomplished by the subordinate employees. Next, the function of management are administrative activities in comparison to the organization. Next, management is sum total of several activities. Post DC, other activities such as planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. These are some of the functions which are performed by management. Motivating the employees, coordinating with the employees is also the function of the management of a particular enterprise or the organization. Next, with the help of organization, the managers perform their duties and responsibilities. Next, the objective of management is to supervise the accomplishment of work of the subordinate employees and to give necessary direction for getting the desired result for achieving the predetermined goals or the targets of the organization. Efficient management largely depends on strong organization. This is very true. If we are having a strong organization, it implies that our management is also strong or efficient. Next, management may be compared to the whole human body. As earlier I have said, organization are the hands of the body, whereas management is the whole body. Now we are going to see, or we are going to compare organization with administration and management. Now, organization's business is to connect work and staff of an institution or the organization, whereas administration's work is to set or decide the aim and ethics law of an institution. On the other hand, management's aim is to manage the work done by others according to specific ethics. Second point, organization, it is a component of management. Organization can be termed as a part of management, component of management. Administration, its composition and organization of planning is done by administration. Composition and organization of planning, that is the function of administration. On the other hand, the management, its working periphery is comprehensive. Along with planning and organizing, it also includes adding of command, direction, which I have earlier said, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, commanding, motivating. These all are the function of management. Coming back to the organization, management done its job by organization. Whereas administration is the creator of organization. And when coming to management works of management is done by administration. We can say the work of management is done by the administration. Next point is, organization work as a neuron of a human body, whereas administration erects an institution like a body creator, and management work as a whole body. Next point is, as to the planning, it is the foundation of workplace organization. Whereas administration, it gets responsibility, legislation of planning. This is the responsibility of administration. As far as management is concerned, management supervises the works execution of staff according to the planning. So, whether each and every process in an organization is going according to the plan, this is supervised by the management. Next step, organization, its work is organizational, whereas for administration, its work is to apply rules, regulation and law. And management work is to convert rules and regulation to work. Again, as discussed in earlier point, the framing of various rules, regulation, law aspect, that is done by the administration, and on ground level, whether those are working or not, that to implement those rules, regulation framed by the administration into ground level, this is the function of management. So we can say management, its work is to convert rules and regulation to the work. Next, for organization work expressed through work and applying, whereas administration's work expressed through mind and thoughts. On the another hand, management work also expressed through work and apply. Here, if we see the word thoughts and mind, they are coming to the administration part, and work and apply, implementation part, that comes to the management part. So administration is going to formulate the rules, regulation, and management is going to implement, execute, and see whether they are going to be whether they are being followed or not in the organization. Next, organization is effective machinery for accomplishing company's objective in a team spirit. Whereas administration gives proper direction, it is a directing function. On the other hand, management properly executes, it is an execution function. So administration is more directing function, whereas management function is more execution function. The last point is organizations has been termed the keystone on which the entire structure of an enterprise is based. Whereas administration is for effective functioning of administrational proper structuring of enterprise is must. As far as management is concerned, for effective functioning of management, proper stern structuring of enterprise is must. So if there is proper structuring of the organization, management will function in far better way. So these are some of the points which compares organization with administration part and management part. Thanks for listening the lecture. If you have any query regarding this particular part of the lecture, you can contact me personally on my mail ID or my mobile phone. Thank you. Have a nice day.